Here's how you can memorize all the Korean alphabet in 15 minutes. Are you ready? I will cover consonant first and then the vowels. The first consonant, 그, somewhere between G and K but closer to G sound. 그, from gone, 그 from gone. Next, 느 from nose, 느 from nose. 드, somewhere between D and T but closer to D sound. 드 from door, 드 from door. 르, somewhere between L and R but much closer to L sound. 르 from leather, 르 from leather. 무 from mouth, 무 from mouth. 부, somewhere between B and P but much closer to B sound. 부 from bucket, 부 from bucket. 스 from summit, 스 from summit. Let's review the first 7 consonants. What do you see? A, gun. Yes. 그 from gun. What about the next? Nose. 느 from nose. What about the square but with one side missing so you can open the door? Yes. 드 from door. Next, you see a lot of horizontal lines so you can climb up the ladder. 르 from ladder. And the next, what is this square? It's a mouse. 무 from mouse. And something is filled with water. A bucket. 부 from bucket. What about the next? On top of the mountain, which is summit. 스 from summit. How was it? Let's continue. This one is a special letter. It's a circular shape with no sound. It's like a placeholder. No sound. Empty. No sound. 즈 from jeans. 즈 from jeans. 치 from child. 치 from child. 크 pull the trigger to kill. 크 from kill. 트 door split into two. 트 from two. 프 from pillar. 프 from pillar. 흐 from hat. 흐 from hat. So let's review again. The first one, circle, special letter, which is, yes, no sound, empty, no sound. And second, one with the 2 leg. We can wear the jeans. 즈 from jeans. What about the next one? Do you see a little person, which is child? 츠 from child. And the next, remember the gun, and you pull the trigger to kill. 크 from kill. What about the next one? Do you remember the door? And the door split into two. 트 from two. What about the next? What do you see? A pillar. 프 from pillar. And the last one, which is a man with a hat. H from hat. Congratulations! We already covered all the basic consonants, and we have 5 consonants that are special and they can become double consonants. So here, for example, this G, remember the gun, becomes doubled, so they become stronger and higher pitch like G, G. So G and G, G, G. I think G sound is similar to Spanish, like ¿Cómo estás? Go, 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 G. And do you remember the door? D and D. T, D. D is similar to ¿Cómo te llamas? Te, D. So it's stronger and higher pitch. D, D. And next, B from bucket, right? P and B. P, B. What about the next? S from summit, right? S, 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 S. S is lighter and S is stronger. What about this? 2 legs with the jeans. T and Z. Z, T, Z. Z sound doesn't exist in English, so you might need some time to get used to it. Z, Z. So, in a row, K, T, P, S, T, G, D, B, S, Z. K, G, T, D, P, B, S, T, Z. So double the consonant becomes stronger and higher pitch. So we already covered all the consonants and now it's the time to move on to the vowels. Are you ready? Let's first start with the 6 simple vowels. Before that, look at their shape. Some are vertical and some are horizontal. So there are vertical vowels and horizontal vowels, and these vowels can be combined with consonants like these. If the vowel is vertical, then the consonants and the vowel are written left to right. And if the vowel is horizontal, the consonants and the vowel are written from top to bottom, and they are combined together to form a syllable block. So in Korean, consonants always comes before a vowel. Let me show you an example. Remember this circular consonants with no sound, a special consonant? So it means the sound of these blocks are just the same as how vowel sound itself. You can think of it as a placeholder for other consonants. And it's okay if you don't fully understand everything for now. You will get used to it in the later video, so don't worry about it. And let's just dive into the vowels. So the first one, ah, ah. Wide mouth, like you see something and you're surprised. Ah, follow me. Ah, ah from ah. And the next, oh, oh. You're picking your head. Oh, let me think about it. Uh, from And the next, e, e. A vertical stroke like I see. I see. E from I see. E. And let's do the horizontal one. O. O. O from O. O, like thumbs up. You see the O shape? O. O. O from O. And next one? Oo. Oo. Oo from boo. 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 You see the stroke? Boo, boo, oo from boo. This one, the pronunciation is a little bit difficult. Ooh, ooh, like an ugly face when you see like, ooh, I don't like it, disgusting. Ooh, ooh, ooh from ooh. When you pronounce snake, like ooh, ooh. Teeth are closed. Ooh from ooh. Let's review. The first one, do you remember? Ah, ah. And the next one, follow me. O, O from O. And the next one, I see. E from I see. And the next one, the thumbs up with, remember? O from O. And the next one, what about this? Boo. Oo from boo. And the last one, the mouth shape goes like oo. Oo from oo. So this one is E from I see and oo from oo. All together become A, O, E, O, U, U. You will get used to the Korean sound when you hear more often, so don't worry about the correct pronunciation, but just try to get used to how it sounds. And for these, we also have 4 special letters, which is A, O, U, U. They can have one more stroke. We are kind of like adding Y into the sound. So, A, Ya, O, Yo, U, You, U, You. Do you get it? A, Ya, O, Yo, U, You, U, You. And the next 2 vowels, these 2 sounds almost the same, even the Korean cannot tell the difference. It's pronounced as e, e. So they are like couple. They look similar and sound the same, like be, be, e from be. The stroke with the hairband and the bow tie. Hairband and bow tie. E, e. A from be. And this one can also have another stroke, which we add Y sound. A, yeah, a, yeah. Yeah is like yeah, yeah. Now we covered almost all the letters and we only have a few left. Here, actually, these are called combined vowel, which are formed from the basic vowel, and they are combined together to make a combination of the sounds. And we already covered 4 of them, and we have a few more left here. Let's get it. This is formed from O and A. So you start from O and end with A. So wa, 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 wa. And the next, oo and o. So oo, o, wo, 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 wo. So this make wo sound like wo, wo, wo. And next, oo and e from I see. So oo, e, we. This makes we sound. We. And the next, ooh and e from I see. So we. This one is hard to pronounce, but you will get used to it as you hear more Korean words. 의, And the next, ooh and a from be. Remember the bow tie? So o, e, we. So this makes we sound. We. And the next, it's similar. Ooh and e, ooh, e, we. This also make we sound. So this sound the same. We. Technically, it's slightly different, but these days Korean pronounce it exactly the same. And there is one exception that doesn't sound like how it's combined. So this one is O and E from I see, but this also sounds we. So this is the only one that you have to memorize. Actually, by the time it was made, it was pronounced differently. However, as the time goes on, the pronunciation became way. So these all three sounds like way. So congratulations, we really covered all the letters. How do you feel? And now you're ready to read Korean. And for the reading practice of the real Korean word, let's do it in the next video. And if you are serious about learning Korean and want to learn even more than this, check out our course information in the chat and see you in the next video for reading practice. You did good job today. Let's go! 화이팅! Bye bye!